Huge developments just dropped in the humanoid robot space in the first week of May 2026. And these are not separate stories. They are clear signs that the entire industry is shifting from research prototypes to real mass production much faster than most people expected. KinetixAI unveiled their new humanoid, called Kai. Boston Dynamics has moved their all-electric Atlas into full serial production. X-Humanoid released the new Omni robot along with upgraded Kong 3.0, and 1X Technologies has officially started manufacturing their Neo humanoid in California with real customer deliveries planned for this year. Let me break down each one and tell you what they actually mean for businesses and professionals right now. First, KinetixAI. This robot stands out with 115 degrees of freedom and 18,000 tactile sensors. That combination gives it exceptional dexterity and control. The company already showed natural first steps and very human-like smooth movements, which means manufacturing managers working on fine assembly lines can now seriously consider replacing certain repetitive hand-intensive jobs with robots. Next, Boston Dynamics Electric Atlas. Hyundai-owned Boston Dynamics has shifted their all-electric Atlas from testing into full production mode. This robot offers full 360-degree mobility. It is built for heavy labor tasks inside manufacturing plants and is already being deployed at Hyundai facilities. This is a major milestone because it shows that big traditional automakers are now putting real humanoids on their factory floors. Third, X-Humanoid's Omni and Kong 3.0. X-Humanoid just launched their new Omni robot along with a significantly upgraded Kong. Chinese companies are moving extremely fast in both hardware and cost reduction. This gives factories in Asia much more affordable options to scale automation quickly. Fourth, 1X Technologies Neo. 1X has started actual production of their Neo humanoid in California. You can buy it for around $20,000 or lease it for $499 per month. First customer deliveries are starting this year. This is one of the first serious attempts to bring capable humanoids into homes and small businesses. Fifth, Chinese humanoids are currently leading in both scale and speed. Leju Robotics is operating the world's first fully automated humanoid factory. They can produce one complete robot every 30 minutes. This kind of speed is completely changing the economics of the entire industry. My honest take. What surprised me the most is how quickly we moved from people saying this technology is still 5 to 10 years away, to multiple companies entering actual production in 2026. I am still uncertain about how reliable these robots will be when they have to work 24/7 in real messy factory and home environments. Most coverage right now only shows impressive demo videos. They completely ignore the real challenges of maintenance, integration, and daily operating costs that businesses will actually face. The verdict is clear. The next 12 to 18 months will be the most important period for any company or professional who wants to stay ahead in automation. A business owner or operations manager who starts testing and planning for humanoid robots in the next 6 to 12 months will gain a significant competitive advantage. Those who wait until 2027 or 2028 will face much more competition and higher costs. So here is the real question. What part of your business or career do you think will be impacted first by reliable humanoid robots? And more importantly, are you already preparing for it right now, or are you still waiting to see what happens?